I've watched a video on the YouTube saying slime with only two ingredients. So I'm gonna try it if it is works or it is fake.
So let's begin. First I've taken my glue. Oh no.